we know that the speed of light is 340 meter per second. Okay, the speed of sound in air is about 340 meter per second. Therefore distance traveled by sound in 1/10 second is equals to speed into time. Okay, so the distance traveled by a sound in 1/10 second is equals to speed 340 into 1/10, 34 meter. Okay, 34 meter. Okay, so it mean that 17 meter from there and 17 meter from there. Okay, 17, 34. Okay, if this is wall, okay, so a girl or a boy or any person is speak anything, they come back, okay, sound within 17 meters. So we can say that the echo of a sound is heard if the reflecting surface is more than 17 meter away. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Okay, so this is all about the echo of a sound is heard if only if the reflecting surface is more than 17 meter, okay, away. Okay, so let us talk about another very important topic, which is sound absorption. See, next one is sound absorption. Have you ever tried to speak to someone in a completely empty, unfurnished room? Why is it difficult to hear each other's voice clearly? This is because the sound gets reflected again and again by the wall of the room. Therefore, any sound takes a long time to die out. And when you speak, the sound overlap each other and it is difficult to tell them apart. However, this does not happen if the same room has curtain and furniture. Okay, so you need to go in a room which is fully empty and one is fully full of curtain, furniture and many things. Okay, you observe some differences between reflection of sound. In empty room, whatever you will speak, your sound will back. Means curtains and furniture absorb sound. Okay, just like heat or light, when sound falls on a surface, it is partly reflected and partly absorbed. This is most important thing that you need to understand. Just like heat or light, when sound falls on a surface, partly reflected and partly absorbed. So there is a important fact that soft surfaces are better absorber better absorbers of sound, whereas hard surfaces are better reflectors of sound. Okay, of sound. So this is all about the better absorbers and better reflectors of sound. Okay, so that's why we can say that woods, carpets, curtain, cloths, even our bodies are poor reflector of sound but absorb sound better. Okay,